beautiful budding bakers. It is a glorious day today. We are doing something delicious for Thursday. What are we doing? We're doing a Tooty Fruity Traybake. A Tooty Fruity Traybake, yes. This is no ordinary Tooty Fruity. This is a Tooty Fruity, a Tooty Fruity, a bop bop a doo bop a dop bop bop. It's a kind of Tooty Fruity that wakes you up in the morning. It's a Tooty Fruity Thursday Traybake. Tooty Fruity Thursday Traybake. Try saying that 50 million times after 6 gins. So, this morning, I have got my lazy Susan out today because we're going very posh, because I thought this would be interesting. So, we are doing our Tooty Fruity Traybake. We are starting with 180 mils of sunflower oil, 180 mils of buttermilk. You could also use ordinary buttermilk. We have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We have got, I'm coming around the corner, come around. We have got mixed fruit, 200 grams of frozen fruit. It can be any fruit you have in the house. 1 orange, that's optional. Don't look for an optional orange. It's just an ordinary orange we're looking for. We've got 100 grams of porridges. We've got 2 eggs, and we have got 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 140 grams of caster sugar, and a sprinkling of porridges to get us moving in the morning. So let's get cracking. So to begin with, we're going to do our dry ingredients first. So I am bringing my flour over. 300 grams of self-raising flour. Now I am aware that I'm also using self-raising flour and not plain flour. So self-raising and baking powder. So I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next goes in, we have our 100 grams of porridge oats. 100 grams of porridge oats. Clean as you go. Move this in a bit so I don't spill it. We are now going to get our frozen berries and put them into our dry mix. If you put frozen berries into a dry mix, or berries in general into a flour mix, before you add your sugar, because if you add the sugar sort of gets together with the fruit and they get all sticky and down with each other. With the flour, it prevents the fruit from sinking to the bottom of your tray bake and gives a lovely even bake. So we are getting our orange zest, and we're putting in an orange zest. Now, if you don't have frozen fruit, these could be blueberries, and instead of grating an orange, you could be grating a lemon. So you could have lemon and blueberry Traybake. If you haven't got any lemon, you've got lemon. If you've got golden delicious apples, or if you've got Granny Smith apples, slice them up really nice and finely, and away you go. You've got your apple breakfast Traybake. Danny kangaroo down his board, Danny kangaroo down. How can you not be in a marvellous, positive, phantasmagorical mood on a day like this, and the oven humming in the background? So all my orange zest goes into my flour mix. So we have got our dry mix and our zest of orange. In it goes, in it goes. Now, in goes our frozen raspberries. Raspberries? Who ever had a raspberry? Snozberry. So I am giving them a quick stir. They're sounding like marbles in my bowl. Next, I have the liquid. So I forgot a fork. 2 minutes. Whisk away. Next, I have got my 2 eggs. Skippity day. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Skipping, children, you must do your skips. I was doing my jumps around with Joe Wicks this morning. That's why I've got so much energy. Joe Wicks rules in the morning, he rocks. We have got some oil, in it goes. So we've got our oil. We've got our eggs, we've got our vanilla extract. And before any of the liquids go in, all the dries go in. So in goes our sugar. Clean as you go, clean as you go. Give it another stir. See, you have to sing. You have to just get musical in the mornings. My daughter Lucy is allergic to me this morning. Love you, Lucy. Oh, Mom, tone it down. It's so early. Don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. In goes my buttermilk. Clean as you go. Kaboom! Move this out of the way. now going to mix our flour, sugar, batter, yum, and make sure that you can give it a good old fold. I'm using a fork, you can use a spatula. It's just to get all those tutti frutti flavors mixed together. Yum. Yummy. Now, dun, 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 dun. Easy go. Next, we have got our prepared tray. I use a Swiss roll tray. So, Swiss roll tray, and you think, what? This is not going to work. And it looks like porridge. I'm just giving it a last stir in the pot to make sure that it's all combined. Leave nothing behind but your thanks, as they say. No licking the bowl this morning. Everything out of the bowl. And just using a palette knife, I'm just going to bring this tray back to the edge. Now, it looks really strange and it looks like it will never rise. It looks like as if it's a train crash, but I'm telling you now, it is absolutely scrum-diddlyumptious. So you preheat your oven for 180 and you're putting this in for 30 minutes. And it will cook in the 30 minutes. If you do this size tin, 13 by 9, it will cook in 30 minutes. You can put it in a baking roasting tray. Obviously, the times will change considering the tray sizes you are using. Just keep an eye on it. If it sprongs back at you, it's done. And then I have just, this is not weighed out porridge oats, this is just for a little sprinkling on top. It goes into the oven, 180 for 30 minutes. Stay with me, stay with me. And in that beautiful bit goes, followed by one I have prepared earlier. Turn it to the side. Now, I've got 200 grams of icing sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of water. Now, you could use the juice of the orange, but I'm going to have that for my breakfast. So I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of water. Giving it a stir, stir, stir. And if I need more, I will just get more. Giving it a stir, stir, stir. All this is glacé. Now, you might decide you just want a dusting of icing sugar. You might decide you do not want anything at all. You could get a drizzle of honey and put the drizzle of honey on top of the tray bake. It makes 24 little squares. It is absolutely divine. Now, you can see that this is too stiff, so I will get more water. And you're always better to gradually add the water rather than throwing it all in. So if I threw 3 tablespoons of water in, it might be too sticky or too wet. It is never too wet. So I just want a sort of a pipeable, glassy icing. Good. And all I do next is I get my lovely goldfish bowl of gin, I mean my empty goldfish bowl, to help me hold my icing. See, this goldfish bowl is my reward on Friday. Lovely tall glass goldfish bowl of gin. On a Friday, Pizza Friday. Start sending me in your photographs, all your wonderful photographs. And I will be putting this, again, all the recipes up, again with my YouTube channel, A Touch of Magic 100. I put it into a piping bag because I'm getting fancy smancy today. I'm taking off a tiny little snippet of my piping bag. And away I go. And all I'm doing is zigzagging with some gorgeous good hand. Squeeze it all out. We ain't fussy at all. And just do a ziggy and leave this set for about 15 minutes before you dive in. There we have it. Tooty Fruity Thursday Traybake. Tooty Fruity. So we shall see you tomorrow at 10 for some more goodies. See you then.